Have you ever wondered what happens inside your chest every time you breathe? Behind every breath lies an incredible system, silent, powerful, and life-sustaining. This is the story of your lungs. Your lungs are two soft, spongy organs located in your chest, protected by the rib cage. They are part of the respiratory system, responsible for bringing oxygen into your body and removing carbon dioxide. But these two lungs are not identical. The right lung is slightly larger and has 3 lobes. The left lung, smaller, has 2 lobes, making space for your heart. Air enters your body through the nose or mouth, travels down the trachea, also known as the windpipe. Then the trachea splits into 2 main tubes called the bronchi, one leading to each lung. Inside the lungs, these bronchi divide again and again, forming a complex network of smaller tubes called bronchioles. Think of it like an upside-down tree with branches spreading deeper and deeper inside your lungs. At the very end of these tiny bronchioles lie millions of microscopic air sacs called alveoli. These alveoli are the true heroes of breathing. Each lung contains around 300 million alveoli. They are surrounded by tiny blood vessels called capillaries. This is where the magic happens. When you inhale, oxygen travels into the alveoli. From there, it passes through their thin walls into the blood. At the same time, carbon dioxide, a waste gas, moves from the blood into the alveoli and is later exhaled out of your body. This process is called gas exchange, and it keeps every cell in your body alive. Breathing is not just about lungs. Below your lungs lies a dome-shaped muscle called the diaphragm. When you breathe in, the diaphragm contracts and moves downward, creating space for the lungs to expand. When you breathe out, it relaxes and moves upward, pushing air out of the lungs. This simple movement happens thousands of times every day, without you even noticing. Your lungs are also protected by a thin, double-layered membrane called the pleura. Between these layers is a small amount of fluid, which helps reduce friction as the lungs expand and contract smoothly. Every breath you take delivers oxygen to your brain, your heart, and every organ in your body. Without your lungs, life would stop within minutes. Yet most of us never think about them until something goes wrong. So the next time you take a deep breath, remember the incredible structure working silently inside you. A network of tubes, millions of air sacs, and a system designed perfectly for life. Your lungs are not just organs. They are your connection to life itself. Breathe deeply and take care of your lungs.